Howdy, welcome back to the Addicted Motors YouTube channel, and this is the Rover review series where we review every morning a auction-centric Land Rover or Range Rover that is not available for public bidding on the wholesale market. So this particular case is one a little bit different. This is a Land Rover like V8. It's kind of a special-ish edition, 81-82 model, left-hand drive, imported to California, and this is a truck that I've seen in person. Here's the picture right here that I took in 2014 when I first saw it at a gas station in Seymour, Texas, an hour south of Wichita Falls, just in for some service at a local gas station repair and maintenance shop. And it blew me away. This is before, I did these videos and did YouTube and even knew what a Land Rover was or knew that this was an imported, interesting V8 edition of a Defender. And this was one of the trucks that kind of sparked this whole endeavor. I actually talked to the shop owner. So it was owned by a local guy who had it for a while. A landowner that had, thousands of acres somewhere that used this as a awesome, hunting truck and whatnot. And I mean, it looks the part, at least it did in this picture. And lo and behold, 10 years later, this thing popped up at a dealer auction in Dallas. I couldn't believe it. I mean, imagine the odds, right? I saw it at the exact time and place originally, and then seeing it again for sale 10 years later and recognizing the truck. I even had the picture. It's probably the fourth picture I ever posted on my Instagram. And now it's back again at another dealer auction in Dallas, sans some of the headlight guards and grill guard. I'm wondering if they were removed for inspection purposes or something like that, for obstruction lighting. But it only has 300 more miles on it since it was posted last, so I can't imagine anyone drove it too far. It's listed at $28,000, which is much higher than I think it sold for last time. I believe it sold for around 19 or 21. It was in a kind of an attainable price point at that time. It's a little bit more now. And man, like I said, this is fate for me. It's crazy to, bumped into something and then bump into it again. There's a little bit of automotive romance involved in that type of find. So this one, again, kind of near and dear to my heart. It'd be really interesting if I were able to afford and to purchase it. It really bring this whole thing full circle. But like I said, it is for sale. It was an awesome, original condition when I saw it, and it looks to be in that type of same condition still. I don't know a whole lot about these trucks. I mean, it's not technically, I guess, a Defender, but it is kind of a hodgepodge, I guess, of a series with the Defender for, I guess, it's, yeah. I mean, it's listed as a Land Rover V8, right? So it's a series wagon with I think it's a carbureted 3.5 and a 4-speed manual. This was just before they were offered in the States. So I think this was a limited run. There weren't a whole lot imported in. And when you do see them, they are quite rare, especially in left-hand drive. But again, you experts out there, please correct me in the comments below. No engine picks. They probably couldn't figure out how to get it open. A couple old batteries sitting around. But look at those floorboards and whatnot. Like I said, it seems to be in great original condition. That dusty Texas climate really does preserve these trucks, especially when there's no soppy, wet interior to really, clog things up. I mean, it also has the safari roof and whatnot. And it seems, there's a picture of the tach showing the mileage. That could be original if it was just a hunt truck. You never know. But like I said, this one has a little bit of nostalgia associated with me. It's not the most practical vehicle. It's kind of what I tell people to stay away from because there's not a lot of use cases. It's definitely going to be a project. It probably runs and drives. We don't know. But, carb work, axle rebuild, swivel ball joints, it's going to need probably things. These might be, it might be drum brakes all around. I don't really know, but it's got the period worn winch, all the period accessories for the most part, and it looks like the same tires on it that I think they're LTXs that were on it when I saw it 10 years ago, which kind of tracks. But I don't know who the buyer is for this, right? Because it's a little old for the people that are searching around now. and also a little old for your average, you know, buy here, pay here, used car dealership, and a little spendy too. The import market's so saturated right now, these things are coming down in value, but since this is a semi-US spec one, it might change things. But that's just my 2 cents on the truck. I think it's neat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next video. So yeah.